Good morning to all of you, my dear students. I am very much thankful to you that you are liking my videos. Uh, there are so many subscribers, around 365 subscriber and 7,000 views for my videos, and there are a lot of sharing and like. So I am really getting motivated to give my best to serve you and to make the nation strong. So here I just come with another crash course. Already I have conducted one crash course from 21st to 26th of December. So I am going to conduct for 3 more batches for the structure. So these are the 6 days schedule. The timing is 2 hours daily. The topics will be covered: day 1 basic of structures, day 2 deflection of beams and truss elements. There I will discuss about the zero force member, the stability of the truss, the finding out the forces in the member of the truss. Day number 3 I will discuss about the SFD BMD. Day 4 shear stress, bending stress and the direct bending stress part. Day 5 I will discuss about the RCC design. In RCC design I will tell you about the beam, collapse, slab, footing, the basic specification given by IS 456. And on the last day there will be a mock test and doubt session. Here I want to mention that in the mock test I have included all types of question. Please remember that in GATE 2021 two new type of question format has been introduced. Number one, it is the multiple select question, where there will be multiple options of the question will be may be correct. So if you mark all the options correct, then only you will get full marks. There is no partial marking, even if you mark 2 correct answer out of 3 correct answers. So that is going to be a very tricky part. I have discussed in my GATE video, introduction video also this part. And there will be numerical answer type, where you have to give the answer in the integer or in the decimal format, so numerical answer format. So all, and MCQ, obviously the basic format is the MCQ, multiple choice questions. So all 3 format of questions I have included in the mock test, and this mock test is only on structures, no other subjects. So you will get a very good question bank about or very good idea about that what types of question will come, may come in the GATE. And the question I have given over there, they are not repeated from the past year GATE architecture paper. They are not repeated. The repeat questions I have not given in my test. So they are completely new set of question, I think, by which you will be benefited much. And in the doubt session you can ask me all doubt whatever you have on structures from the course I have taught, or from anywhere if you have in general. So here I just want to confirm you, or I just want to give you the confidence that in this crash course only the important topics from the exam point of view will be discussed. So if you have very beginner level knowledge in the structure, you must attend this course, because if any basic question comes or direct formula related question comes, then you will be able to attend after attending my crash course. So for this reason, see, the level or the quality or the level of students will be different. So I can cater maximum 10 students in a batch. So to ensure the quality of teaching, I am restricting the batch size to 10. So that I can give personal attention to each and every student. Every student have different level of preparation, so I will cater them accordingly. The lectures will be conducted in the Google Meet platform. If 5 students or 5 of you join together, so the days and the timing can be adjusted according to your wish, but you should be 5 students together, so that you already fix among yourselves and then you are joining the course. So it will be first pre-fixed among yourselves, then you can join in this course. Next is the course fee. I have kept it very nominal, and fee structure I will communicate once you register for the course. So, and on the last day there will be a test, and the highest scorer will be rewarded with the partial refund of the course fee. So please hurry up and register quickly. The link is given in the description box. For any query or any doubt, you can WhatsApp me or you can email me. Both are given over here, professor.megadatta@gmail.com or WhatsApp at 7400292793. Please do not wait and waste your time. Just attend this crash course and give the GATE 2021 the best shot. So see you soon on my Monday. One batch is starting from tomorrow. So you can register quickly for the course. So see you tomorrow or in the subsequent batch. Thank you. Thank you all.